Hello, welcome back, welcome to another YouTube recipe. Obviously March hai, and before the summer begins and everyone's like it's so hot. March aata hi, everyone just thinks about Holi and it's such a wonderful festival, guys. One of my favorite festivals. So definitely Holi hai to banate ek very colorful looking dish. We're going to be making this very cool, very colorful hummus platter, which I'm pretty sure sabke ghar pe guest aane hi wale. To ye platter dekh ke they're going to be floored and it's much easier than you think, very quick to make. So chaliye banate hain and I'll see you guys on the other side. Before we begin, a big shout out to Stahl for sending over their amazing range of cookware. This is the Stahl Versatil cooker and it's a perfect pressure cooker for every home. So using the Stahl Artisan Hybrid frying pan for this is one of the best frying pans that I've ever used. Link to buy these products is in the description below. Moving on to the recipe, the chickpeas have soaked overnight. Make sure you don't miss this part. Make sure it soaks for at least 8 hours. Just drain the chickpeas, put them into a pressure cooker, thoda sa namak dalenge, add some water to this. I'm also adding some baking soda to this. What the baking soda will do while it's cooking is basically break down the chickpeas, making it really nice and soft and mushy. Bas dhakkan dal dijiye and we just need to pressure cook this. Now usually it's done in 4 to 5 whistles, but I'm gonna run this for at least 7, 8, 9, 10 whistles. Just let it overcook completely. Uske baad just take this off the heat and just let it cool down on the side. Till then we're gonna get the rest of the ingredients. We have some olive oil, a little bit of finely chopped garlic, some tahini. If you don't have tahini, you can always substitute with some peanut butter. Along with that I have some lemon juice, some cumin powder, a few cubes of ice. You might also need a little bit of water for this. The pressure has decreased. It's safe to take out the lid. Now you can see the chickpeas have become really nice and mushy. Drain it, let it come to room temperature. डाल देते हैं इसे blender के अंदर along with all the other ingredients. बस इसे blend कर दीजिए. Make sure you stir it around regularly and then keep blending it along with a few cubes of ice. You can also add a little bit of water to it. It just starts to blend up nicely like this. Once it's nice and smooth, it is done. बस इसे अब divide कर देते हैं into about 4 bowls because we need 3 different colors and एक जो है उसे original रखेंगे. Color में don't worry, we are not using Holi का colors. We are going to be using some. एक बोल में एक कलर डाल के जस्ट अच्छे से मिक्स कर दीजिए. ये सारी डिफरेंट कलर्ड हमस को हम डालेंगे पाइपिंग बैग्स के अंदर एंड जस्ट कीप दिस असाइड. नेक्स्ट एक सिंपल स्पाइस्ड ऑयल बनाएंगे फॉर द गार्निश. जस्ट हीट इट अप, लेट इट स्मोक, एड सम cumin seeds to this along with some coarse chili powder and just fry this for a couple of seconds and get it off the heat. Now the fun part, let's start the plating. Pipe dollops of the hummus, whatever color you want, whatever pattern you want. Don't worry, no one is going to judge you. Just keep going it till you fill up the entire plate. That looks so colorful and beautiful. I'm just going to drizzle it with some of that oil that we had prepared. Going to garnish it with some sesame seeds and coriander, and that is it. We just have to plate it along with all your other munchies, some pita bread, some carrot sticks, celery, a little bit of nachos, whatever you want, and the recipe is done, my friend. This is going to be that showstopper at your Holi party. So please do try it out. If you have any questions about the recipe, just write them down in the comments. I'll make sure I address it. The link to all those wonderful cookware is in the description as well. You can also use the coupon code to get a discount on your purchase. And aur kuch nahi, this looks beautiful. I'm gonna pick it up and just dig into it. And happy Holi, my friends.